if you want to examine transitional epithelium, you can use a section from the urinary bladder, such as this one. So now we are under 40x magnification, and here you can find your transitional epithelium. So this is the basement membrane, and underneath is already another type of tissue, which is connective tissue. So let's zoom in. So here you can see your umbrella-shaped cell on the topmost part. So we can say that this area of the transitional epithelium is contracted, while some areas may be stretched. Let's see if we can see areas of this tissue which looks like it is stretched. So far, almost all areas look like the topmost cells are either balloon shaped or umbrella shaped. So maybe this part, the topmost cells are flattened, but we're not sure if it's just an artifact of the tissue processing. Here, you can also take note of the scalloped appearance of the topmost balloon-shaped cells. Again, this is the basement membrane, and this is your transitional epithelium, and this is the lumen of the urinary bladder where urine is supposedly stored.